and welcome back.
So, my name is Alicia.
And my name's Sophia.
So, we are continuing our build from last week, and we built like the bottom 2 floors. We built the well, like the dining space, and then we also built the kitchen and
the entrance, not hit the wall,
and the beginning of the stairs.
Yeah.
So today
We are going to be continuing the house.
and we're going to be starting off our build with bag
Number 4. So yeah, that's so cool.
All right, so we're adding the first and the second base plate for the top, and we're just adding some walls. And
Boring.
I know. And so now we're adding a blue, and I also love the colors in this build. I mean, it's just such pretty colors. It makes you feel so happy.
Yeah, and I think this is the bathroom because it has tile.
It has to be the bathroom. So now we're adding a carpet,
Yes, it
right?
has to be
Is it like the bath mat that you have like a bath mat?
Oh my god, there's a puppy paw.
Wait, a puppy pot? They don't have a puppy.
I know.
Oh, they do have Toffee from the 2015 Lego series, 2017. Before they had the more realistic animated version. Okay, I'm just completely not making sense anymore. So now we're just adding some more walls, and we have a little lever for the flusher. So now we're gonna build the toilet, and I put that in the wrong space.
Because how are you gonna put the back wall?
Yeah, so I put that definitely in the wrong space. And now we're gonna put a little, like a fresh, like to make the room not smell bad.
Bad?
So now we're gonna add a little toilet paper sticker,
Oh my
and
God,
it's
that is
cute.
so cute. Like I haven't seen that in any other sets.
I mean, there's probably some other in another
Yeah.
set, but we haven't seen it. So now we're building the sink, and with a very small washing hand space, but at least they have a sink, and
it
that's
has
so
purple,
important.
my favorite color.
And yes, and it's also super important because of these
COVID times and
So now we're adding the walls for the outside,
side.
and
We're just gonna put that there.
and we have a single
stud.
stud. And wait, that's not right. Yeah, because I can't get that. Okay, so I need to take this off, and this is not. Oh my God, it flew! This thing flew. So now we're just I'm trying to get this off, and it won't come off. I hope I don't have to pull out all the walls, and I don't want to ruin my nail either. Okay, finally I got that out, and now I'm putting it. That. Okay, so this should be good, and I'm just taking apart the sink.
Be good. It is good.
It is good. It's amazing.
Yes.
Spectacular.
Now we're gonna put it out for 2 outward facing studs and another brick.
It's spectacular. A
Oh my god, now it's gonna be darker.
brown, and it's just to separate the beige. And is spectacular a word? Because I feel like it is.
I don't know.
I think I'm gonna be using spectacular from now on.
No.
So now we're adding these little hooks for the roof.
Yes.
And we're gonna add just finishing touches on that like shackle thing. So now we're gonna add a blue window, and that's
it's
on
our
the wrong
first-
side.
And it's our first blue window that is actually small. Like smaller.
It's not
than
the small. It's
first.
just the first on the second floor.
Yeah.
All right, so we're adding a column, and we're adding the door for the bathroom door, so no one can see when they're going to the restroom.
Yes.
Amazing. And good thing it's not glass like the other bottom door.
Yeah.
Amazing. It's just so good. Okay, so now we're gonna add more walls, and it's just spectacular that they have walls.
Now we have a
A
door,
glass
and it's
door.
not getting in, and you get frustrated when it's like doesn't get in.
I know. So now there should be a sticker on
Oh,
this,
it's
right?
it's good. Now we're adding the same exact sticker.
Yes, as the bottom floor, so they
So
look
it's kind of like the
identical.
balcony. It is the balcony door.
Yeah. Yes, because they're not gonna fall. I mean, that's the only way to get upstairs unless they want to fly, which I don't think they can do unless we. I mean, they can do anything we want because they're Lego, but I mean, yeah,
Unless we make them fly.
yeah. I'm gonna fly.
Oh my god, so now we are going to build more brick. I thought it would be something more fun.
Yeah, building walls. I mean, it's good because you don't want to live in the cold air, but they're not fun. So now we put that on the wrong side. Okay.
And, I keep putting that on the wrong side.
Yeah.
It's just
So now we're just putting
more
brown.
walls.
Yeah. So I actually I think that I don't know if they're gonna add like the purple that they added on the bottom to separate. I think they're adding the brown to separate the beige. So now we're adding the same hooks as before.
So to get
The roof on.
Yeah.
And these are not in the right space. Okay, finally, they're in the right space, and we're adding a beige piece.
So now we're just gonna put that there.
And this is not exactly sticking as I'd like it.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna just line it up with some beige pieces.
So it does not collapse.
Yeah, just lining it up, making it all smooth. And we have a little birdhouse. I love it.
So cute.
And
we're
it's
gonna
just
put-
not sticking. I mean, I don't know what's wrong.
It's a
This-
single studded piece to like just put
I
in
know.
your wall.
So now we're adding some flat brown pieces for these sides, I
Maybe
guess.
we're building
We're building
flower
the flower box. The
boxes.
flower box. I
Yes.
love flower boxes.
me too. Personally, when I take a walk and I see like houses like
With
that
flowers.
I'm just like flower boxes. I'm just like, I need to get flower boxes.
I know, I love flower boxes. So we're just adding a little flower.
And now we have another one.
So now we're adding a window,
And-
3 of them.
Yeah.
So now we're to bag number
Number
5.
five.
So we have this long piece.
And I think this is gonna be the railing.
Yeah, this has got to be the railing. They're gonna just fall into midair. So we put those on the wrong spaces. So finally we put them on the right, and the handle. This is right?
Yeah.
No,
the
because there's an
handle-
overhang.
No, that's
There's an
not
overhang.
right.
Oh my god, everything is collapsing. It's just
Oh my god.
This is not spectacular.
No, it's not so spectacular. And Alicia thinks she knows what she's doing.
Yeah, except I've just destroyed the entire thing.
You're so funny, Alicia. Okay,
So
no,
this is not right.
that way, Alicia. Other way.
Okay, that finally that works.
That way.
Okay, but it doesn't stick properly. It's not
No,
coming
it's
down.
not that way. Oh.
We're adding little beehive, and
Oh my God, that is
you've
the
broken that
cutest.
off. Okay.
I cannot break anything.
Okay, I love the beehive.
Yes.
I mean, I don't want to be
I
stung.
hate bees, but I love little cute beehives.
Yes, of course, everybody loves those. But you don't want to be stung by the bees living
I've been
inside of it.
stung
So
and
now,
I hate that.
yeah. So now we're adding,
more walls
and
some
that
single-
shouldn't. That's not the right piece. Okay,
Yeah.
finally, that's the right piece because they're both the same shade. So now we're adding like a stop sign. You know how like stop signs you see at like the not the
stop sign.
not stop,
It's
like
not
the
a
like the
stop sign.
like
like just a sign without the sign on it.
no like the lights, the red, green, and yellow. Oh my god, I forgot that. Oh,
Okay.
oh my
so
god.
now
I'm
we're
crazy.
adding some flowers on that.
Yeah, they're little flowers. Maybe there's,
Oh my God,
but
that's
there's
so
no
cute.
windows, so.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
So now we're adding some little details.
Details.
I mean, details make the plate just look so good, but
Yeah.
you don't really see them.
You know, I'm gonna play with this every single day.
So now we're adding some more outward-facing studs, and the window has fallen. Oh my!
Oh my God. Oh
We
my
don't want
God.
Anna getting hurt because she's on the balcony.
yeah,
So now we're
it's okay,
adding
picture.
these windows, and
Windows,
we
and
have
we-
4 of them.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Kaboom! It's magic. Actually, it's just the power of technology, but it's magic. Let's just call it magic. So now we're adding this.
Top. This must be the top, like the opening for the rock climbing wall, which is gonna come in this set.
Yes, because we saw that on the back
Yes.
of the box. So now we're adding just lining it up, and we're adding
And the
the.
rock wall. Oh my God! It can go out and in, out and in.
So it's like
out
a
and in.
little. But why does it go out and in? I don't know.
Oh, I don't know either.
So, okay, we're adding more things, and this is obviously the rock wall because it's all gray and it has a bunch of different colors.
Well,
I love rock
yeah.
crawl climbing.
Rock
Rock wall
wall.
climbing. Rock wall climbing.
Yeah, I love that too because like
It's so
just
much
so
fun.
fun. You just climb it and you don't know if you're gonna fall, but like
But you're always on a string.
yeah, but like
I wonder if this will come with a string, just so that Mia or Daniel or whoever's climbing it doesn't get hurt. Okay, so this is coming right on this side of this house, and Mia can just climb right up into this room.
Bedroom.
Okay, so
Her
now
bedroom.
we're adding some shelving
oh my God, I
with
love
some like a
shelving.
boomerang and some other things that Mia
Yeah,
would
I
play
love
with.
shelving, like because it has
Of
all
course you love
toys.
shelving. Yeah. So now we're adding these, and we're
Roller
adding.
skates, roller skates,
And that's wrong. Okay. I love roller skates.
oh,
I don't have roller skates, but I like them. So now we're building a little desk.
Desk?
I
Yes, a desk. A desk.
It's so
a desk.
cute.
Oh my god, it's blue and it has a
green drawer, and we're just gonna add that so that's not tilting.
Green is Mia's color, but I
So
also
yeah, we have a
feel
little
like,
mug.
and a letter. Maybe she's reading it. I'm not
Yeah.
sure.
So now we're
of
adding
course she's reading it. What am I
a little
thinking?
like chair hook thing. Yeah, this
Yes,
is a chair
this
for
is a
her
chair.
desk.
And also, like I was gonna say, she has.
We put that
she
out there.
She loves orange and green. Like
And Mia
that's her
can just
color.
lean back
and it
or
can
not.
like.
So now we're adding drawers.
Drawers and.
Oh, this is probably for the
the hallway.
yeah, for the hallway. I don't.
And
I've
then
lost my
flower.
words. A little flower
A
for
little
decoration.
flower.
So
yes,
we're
we were right.
Mia-
It is the hallway.
So Mia, get out of the
you
way.
just
Okay, so we're adding a
corrected.
little lamp thingy, and it's
A
not
lamp?
quite. Yeah, it's lamp. It looks like a lamp, doesn't it? So now
Yeah.
this doesn't quite stick. Okay, so
It's sticking. Yay!
it's not sticking. I have to
No.
push that down.
It's sticking.
And we are adding a green carpet.
Is a green.
Green carpet.
I said that at the same exact time as
Yeah.
Rosa.
Okay, we are adding a little purple piece, like a little box.
Maybe it's.
Oh, it's for Mia's bedroom. It's so adorable.
Yeah. I mean.
So Mia, oh my God, it's a helmet.
Oh,
So she doesn't fall and break her head.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah, I'm so happy they have a helmet, and we can just put her hair right back on.
Yeah.
So now we're adding a little
I might-
loft,
Yeah.
right, or the roof. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a loft.
I might like cut one of Mia's hair and put that down.
Cut.
Not cut. Like take apart one of them, the Lego mini
Dolls. Thing.
doll hair
Oh.
of Mia's, so I can actually put hair in
So
the
it doesn't
back.
look like she's bald.
Yeah, like the helmet looks like she's bald.
Oh yeah. So now we're adding the brown piece and a little like.
window.
Is it like a? It's like a.
it's
it's
like
like
a
a-
curved window.
No, I know what it's called. It's a.
It's a curry.
I don't know.
Oh my god! Now we're adding a blanket. It's kind of like a sleeping blanket.
It is. It's her
It
mattress.
is.
It's like it's a sheet. It's a
Yes,
sheet.
it's a sheet, but like
It's the Dubai.
Yeah.
Dubai. Dubai or Dubai? It's,
divide.
it was like, is it with like
It's
a bee
It's definitely not divide. Oh my god! A ladder. Ladder.
to climb up? But I think that it's Dubai,
It's
right?
not Dubai.
That's like a country.
You think that's a name?
Okay, so we're adding that little thing so she
Oh my
does not
God.
fall off, and we're
Or-
adding a little.
Sticker. So in that,
And that's not straight.
but like I think that's for Mimi.
Yeah, Mimi.
Oh.
We've named the bunny Mimi.
Mimi.
So I have a little lantern, so it's not in the dark.
Yeah. We're adding some more of these
Like
brown
pieces. Yeah.
and then
we have a
another
little.
curve. Let's just call it a curved window.
Yeah, it's like a. It's not a bay window. I really don't know. So now we have a little outward-facing studded
Studded
piece, and we're having those like shellacking things like that go up.
Shellacking.
No, like it goes like in, out, in, out,
in,
like
out.
zigzag,
Zigzag.
zigzag,
Zigzag.
zigzag. Yeah. Okay, so
Now
now
we're adding more like brown pieces.
and that's okay. That's good. Right, that's in the right
curved.
space. Now we're adding a little window on the
Window.
top to bring in lots of natural light.
Yeah.
And we're adding it-
especially because they
Yeah.
live in a forest.
And we're making some peaks. We're making the peaks at the top.
now we're adding more.
So now we're adding some brown pieces. They're wood.
Oh my god, because they live in the forest.
Yes, and it's wood. And I think that Mia and her dad and her mom, everyone, I think they built this house. I think that's what happened. Because it's just so cool and funky and so cool. I think they built it.
Yeah.
So we're adding another flower box. And we're just
like
gonna,
I said, I love flower boxes.
yeah, so we're just gonna align it with some single pieces on the
Pieces.
bottom.
And they're flat.
Of course they're flat. Okay, so we're gonna add these other like triangular orange pieces, and we're gonna add one without a stud and one with a stud. So that's
And now
amazing.
we're gonna add the flower. And I think this is longer than all of the other flower boxes.
Yeah.
Now
So now we're adding the.
Now we're building the roof.
Ooh.
Ooh.
So we just are adding some like hooks or things. I don't even know what they're called. So we're just building roofs,
More and more roofs.
and it's purple. I love the
Purple.
dark purple.
My favorite color, purple.
Purple, 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 purple.
Alicia's favorite color is not purple, but mine is. But
Yeah.
yeah, I don't care.
Let's see. Purple, 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 purple. If you say purple like 1,000 times, it's gonna be such a tongue twister. Not 1,000 times. That's it.
I can't say it.
Yeah, that's not sitting right. No.
No, it's not sitting right at all.
Okay, okay, that should be good. So now we're building the next side roof.
And now we are actually going to be putting it on different. Yeah, it's different.
Than the other one.
We're building it different, and then we're going to just stick that on the
And
other
that fell
side.
out.
Oh my God, that looks
It
so
works.
good. Now we're going to be building
The other side of the Mia's bedroom.
Yeah, and I think this is so much simpler.
Yeah, it's so much easier than the other one.
Yeah. And then we're going to stick that right there. That is so
Oh my gosh, we have finished Mia's house. And it is looking amazing and
Yeah,
fabulous.
and
I love all the rustic
Yeah, and I
features.
love that the roof can open.
So we can play.
Yeah. Oh, God, that fell off.
And it's this part is like we can't open the roof. Okay.
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 But when we head inside, we
I
can-
love also the double doors. It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful thing. And also we have Mia here, and she
is feeding
Misty.
and I love that if we turn the house around.
My favorite part is this rock wall, by the way.
Yeah, my favorite part is Mia's bedroom, and that
The
is
bathroom
wall.
doesn't get much privacy though.
Yeah, because you can see everything.
Yeah.
And there's like windows, so really that's just weird.
You can see like
Yeah.
it's weird.
But
Yeah, we would have to tweak that up a bit.
yeah,
And
but
we have the kitchen.
yeah, and I really love Mia's bedroom because the ladder can swing up and
So we can
down.
play.
Yeah, so let's take maybe Angus is
And also
sneaking.
there was an extra roller
Roller
skate. And I'm
skate.
gonna actually go
grab this bunny, but first we need to name her.
I think we should name her Mimi.
Mimi, yes, Mimi.
Okay, so we're gonna
and
get
then
that
we should
extra roller skate.
and she can roller skate with Mia because actually this set comes with roller skates. Oh God, okay. But
trying to
like,
get the roller
and
skate.
I love that Mia can. Here,
Wait, where's the roller skates? Okay, hold on. Let's grab Mia for a second, and
you
I'm
have to
just
stick
gonna-
them on like that.
Okay, I'm just gonna stick these roller skates on, and
fast.
Mia is going to be riding with her. So while they go over there, and
Oh, no, don't go
Mia,
over there.
your roller skates are going. Oh my, she is just going on the roof, crazy. And Mia's climbing through her rock wall,
And I love
sneaking
that-
back from a party, and it has a
Helmet,
So adorable.
But and then her chair can
and
actually
Mia's
bend back, and then let's say Mia wanted to go up to bed. Of course she wants to go up to bed.
And there's actually, which is so cute, a little spot for Mimi.
You can, but
Name her.
yeah, a different thing, but like.
And then we can open it so that we can play.
But also she can stand up without.
Yeah. And there's also a little cute window, and I love this is just an amazing set.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.